Today, I'm gonna try to save you some money. For new 119, that's the product I'm talking about, this will just take all your dead, scaly nastiness off your feet, my friends. It will. What you get is the Silver Moon Bedtime Balm, and this is a foot balm that you would put on at bed. It's really creamy, emollient. We love it. You would also get the small size of the Platinum Peel. You get your foot file, and you also get the, well, there are several different scents in this, and you would get 2 of whatever scent you choose. This is the Eucalyptus Sodium Soak, and sodium just helps to really soften the feet. This is the Sodium Boost. Again, a beautiful oil that you can put all over your feet. So this set is a fabulous deal. Fabulous deal. I might get a couple myself.